Hi guys, I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can make the world's smallest Lego puzzle box. It's really small, dude. Really small. So what you want to do is get a 1x2 flat, then get one of these 1x1s with a hole right there, not in the back but only right there. Then stick that there. So it's like that. Then you want to get a 1x1 normal, stick it there, put your prize here. I have a ruby, sort of. Then get a stud and stick it there. Then get a 1x2 smooth and another 1x2 smooth and stick them there. And that is the world's smallest puzzle box. How to work it? Really simple. All you do, slide this down and slide that over. Then you see your ruby. I'm in a really small space right now. It's raining again. So, yeah guys, that's basically it. Oh, and I also want to show you my brick separator. It's right here. It's really helpful. I'll make a demonstration. Hold on. Need to find some stuff that I can do the demonstration with. Here's one. Okay, where's another? And here's another. And I can't get it. Oh, here it is. Okay. So, if you can't separate a brick like this, all you do is get the brick separator. Let me get this out of the way. All you do is get the brick separator. There's a bottom, a top, and a Technic. What you do is you just do that, and then you do that. It breaks it off. And if it's on the bottom and you can't get it, take your brick separator, do that, and then it's off. I'm not going to show you the Technic. It's kind of hard to use. So, yeah, that's basically it, guys. Bye.